I finally got a army of guys to get this hood moved and put on some stands here. A little bit of rust on the inside. Nothing too serious, but it's kind of a little bit all over. So tomorrow the work starts in here. I just took all the insulation out here. Probably going to put that back on after. I think a lot of guys don't use that, but this car is going to be original. So yeah, that's finally going to get that done. And then I've been working under the dash here, trying to get button up some of this electrical, and I think I've kind of got most of it done now. I'm missing some bulbs. I'm just kind of making sure everything's working. And then there's a couple things I'm still trying to figure out, like this stupid bulb here. Something's plugging in here. I can't see where the wire is for it. Just one of those things. And I'm trying to figure out what the hell this is here still. See? I should have marked it, I guess. Not sure what that's about. I don't know if that's part of the glove box. Maybe that activates the light for the glove box. I'm not sure. I just kind of got it out of the way here for now. I've got a feeling that's what that's for. And then I permanently wired in the radio today here, so that's all done. And I know the clock don't work because there's power to it and nothing's happening. So the clock is pretty much done. I kind of suspected that anyway. These clocks on these old GMs, they don't work for very long, that's for sure. So that's about it for now. I'm just kind of trying to I'm tired of being under the dash, but I got to get this done here, and then I can probably just get this dash pad on here. That'll be sweet. So that's it, guys. But yeah, I got all the lights. I thought the dash lights weren't working, but they are working. Guy has to, learn how to operate the headlight switch properly. But yeah, everything's working, except for, like I say, the clock don't work. And I'm missing a couple of bulbs, some kind of a weird looking bulb, and a couple bulbs there I'm missing, so I gotta find some of those. And I'm just getting ready to put the ashtray, see the ashtray there, I gotta get the insert, it's already there, I gotta screw that in, put the ashtray thing in there, wire in the lighter thing and all that, get that installed, and then basically the glove box, I got to make the insert here, the glove box insert, so I have to kind of deconstruct the original one and then make a new one. So I got to get that done too. So I'm going to have to go get some material for that. And what else do I need? Oh yeah, I need some material for this here. I'm just waiting for a call back. On the inside of the fender well, that little flap here that covers this so dirt don't get in. So I'm waiting for that because I want to get the fender wells on, but I don't want to put those on until I get those done. So I got to find some material. But it's definitely knocking some stuff down here now. That's for sure. So fenders look good. That's all done. I can't wait to get these meatheads with the headliner, and the vinyl top guys haven't even phoned me yet. So you know how it is, people, man. I'm tired of people that can't keep their word. Supposed to be phoning me here. I haven't heard the damn thing all week. What are we here? Wednesday? Thursday? I don't even know what the hell day we are here. Whatever. But that's how it is around here. I need to move to the States where there's more culture and more passion for this industry. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to continue on here. Tomorrow I'll probably do something on the hood there as I'm kind of getting all dusty and making noise. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye. Well, it's right down to the lighter. Got to take apart. I mean, how often does that happen? A little bit of corrosion in here. But I just kind of cleaned it the best I can. I'm not going to worry too much, but I cleaned this out the best I could. It actually looks not too bad. And then this contact here I had to clean up real good because it was rusted pretty bad. So yeah, every little thing, every little thing. So I'm just kind of getting ready to put the ashtray stuff in there now. I just got everything in their position. So I just got this left here for the ashtray, and then we'll plug her in and see if it works. All right, I'll do that in a second. All right, guys, I got it all back together here. Look how nice that looks. Hey, check it out. Let's see if it works. See if it works. Where are we here? Is it working? Oh, I didn't have it down far enough, I think. Let's have a look-see here. Whoa! Look at this. Woo! Yeah, there we go. Another thing done. Isn't that nice? So there we go, guys. Ashtray is done finally. All right. That's it for now. Talk to you later. I was going to say, if anybody's doing an ashtray like this and you got it apart, make sure you clean off the grounds, otherwise it won't work. I just kind of noticed that when I was putting stuff together, because I had everything in a baggie and then there was a ground strap in there. Well, there's a ground strap up there. Where is it? Can you see it? See? Yeah, for crying out loud. How does this work? See up there in the back there? See the strap? It's hooked up on the top. And then there's one on the ashtray that goes down and hooks up on the ashtray. It's like just like a pin, like a single pin kind of thing. You see it back there? See? If you follow it there, see? Right there, you can just barely see it there. And it hooks up on the back of the ashtray. So you got that strap there. And then when you put the actual ashtray in here, the actual tray in here on the sides, you got to clean it off. You got to file out so it's bare metal there. So this makes contact with the body so that you got good grounds everywhere. Otherwise your lighter probably won't work properly. Okay? Just a note, eh? You know what I'm saying? All right then. Talk to you later. I'm back for a second side note. I just kind of figured out, a buddy of mine was here and he asked me if it had power trunk, and then I figured out this button here was for the power trunk. So I got that figured out, so that's all good. The lighter's working, everything seems to work now. And then I put some LED bulbs in the dash cluster there, a few of them. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Way big difference with those LED bulbs. If you guys haven't tried that, highly recommend it. Highly, highly recommend it. Check that out, eh? Woo! Can actually see the speedometer. Pretty sweet. And these you don't see because these are those fiber optic lights, so it just barely illuminates it. There's a light here a little bit you can kind of see. But yeah, definitely. I mean, look at the clock, how barely dim it is, eh? See? Compared to that. You can't even tell that it's on hardly. So that'll be kind of nice. When a guy's driving, you can actually see, and then when the needle comes up, it'll be red. It'll actually pretty cool looking. So there you go. Just figured I'd kind of show you that. Oh yeah, and I still got to figure out the fuel gauge here, why it's not showing anything. Yeah, freaking switch here. These old switches, the contacts aren't very good. Anyways, that's about it. Just wanted to show you that. And let's have a look here. Oh, baby cakes. Let's check it out. Look at that, eh? All right, goodbye. Goodbye. That's it. Time to shut her down. Battery's going to go dead on me here if I keep doing this. All right, guys. It's time to go home. It's 20 to 9. Had enough for one day. Talk to you guys tomorrow.